All are welcome to this my channel. This is my fourth lecture on time and distance on the topic trains. And we have already said that the speed it is equal to distance over time. Here the first question is two trains of length 1300 meters and 700 meters starts running in the opposite directions with the speeds 40 kilometers and 30 kilometers respectively at the same time. At what time they will cross each other. Now here we have to find the time. We have given distance. Total distance is equal to the length of these trains. It is 200 meters. 200 meters. The trains are in the opposite directions. This train is 1300 meter. This is 700 meter. Its speed is 42. Its speed is 30 km per hour. Now the relative speed is sum of the speeds. We have to find the speed. It is equal to this process is equal to 72 km per hour. We can write it like 20 meter per second. Distance is given, speed is given. We can find what is the time. Time is equal to from this distance over speed. Distance is this. Speed is 20. On simplifying, we will get 100 seconds. That is 1 minute 40 seconds. 30 seconds. After 1 minute 40 seconds, both the train will cross each other with their respective speeds and the length of the trains. This was the first question. Now we are taking the next question. Now, in this question, two trains A and B starts from two different stations at 8 a.m. from two different stations in the opposite directions at the speed 50 km and 40 km. Between two stations the distance is 720 km. At what speed the two trains will cross each other, and also at what distance from the station A they will cross. Two trains from station A and B starts at 8 a.m. from two stations in the opposite direction. It means the first, this is the train A, starts with 50 km per hour, and the train B starts from 40 km per hour. The distance between the two stations is this, and the relative speed it is equal to this plus this. When the train in the opposite direction, the relative speed is the sum of the speeds. It is 90 km per hour. This is also in kilometer. We have to find time. What is time? It is equal to time here from its distance over speed. Distance is this, speed is this, then it is equal to 8 hours. After 8 hours, they will cross each other, and at what time? The train starts at 8 a.m. starts at 8 a.m. and after 8 hours they will meet. Therefore 8 hours it means 16. At 16 they will meet means 4 p.m. the both train will meet. They will cross each other at 4 p.m. Now we take the next question. Now, in this third question, two trains starts from the station A and B in the opposite direction with the speed 50 km per hour and 30 km per hour. Distance between the two stations is 500 kilometers. Trains first start from the station A at 8 a.m. and the train second starts from the station B at 10 a.m. At what time both the train cross each other, and also at what distance from the station A they cross each other. Now here we take, this is the solution. This is the train A and this is the train B. This is the train B. A is running with the speed with the speed 550 kilometer per hour and B with the speed 30 kilometer per hour. Here the train A starts at 8 a.m. and the train B starts at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. At first we have to find that the train A after 2 hours cover a distance up to this. This total distance is 500 meter. Distance is 500 meter. Train A in 2 hours cover a distance of 100 meter and train A reaches here at 10 a.m. after 2 hours. After 2 hours, train covers a distance of train A in 2 hours covered distance 100 meters, 100 kilometers. Remaining distance, it is equal to this minus this, 400 meter, 400 kilometer. Now A train is here, B train is here, distance is 400 meter, their speed is this, we can calculate now time. Here distance is this, relative speed is speed, it is equal to this plus this, it is 80 kilometer per hour. Now what is time? Time, it will be distance over speed, 400 by 80, it is 5 hours. From here, train A, from train B, they will take 5 hours to cover this distance 400 meters. That means the train will cross each other 5 hours. These are 5 hour time and this is 2 hour time. It means the total time it will be 7 hours. After 7 hours they will cross each other. After 7 hours, and the train starts at A. After 7 hours, it means after 7 hours the time will be 15. They meet at 8 plus 7, it is 15. 15 means 3 p.m. At 3 p.m. the both train will meet. Now we have to find the distance from A. The train A starts from here and cover distance of 500 meter and with speed 50. It means at in 5 hour and 7 hour, what distance will cover? In 7 hour distance from A, from station A, it is 7 into 50. The speed of the A is 50. This is 350 kilometer. This is 350 kilometer. The train from the station A will meet the train from the station B at a distance from A is 350 kilometer. And if we were to find the distance from B, the distance from B will be 500 minus this, it is 150. That's the topic today. All are requested to see this video and also like and share this video. Thank you.